everyone, welcome back with me in the paper in the craft. This video shows how to make a very simple origami dog. I hope you give it a try. Let's make it. The first fold into a triangle. Take the lower and fold about 1.5 until 2.5 centimeters. Take the 11 and the 4th and press the button only. Then fold and press like in the video, and do the same on the far right. Take the marker into the eyes, nose, and mouth. Use the bigger marker to speed things up. I'm sure your drawing is better than mine. This super easy dog origami is ready. It's very easy, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.